Perfect Guys 13, and today's video is going to be a very exciting video. So without further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button, making it gray. Hit the post notification bell button right next to it so that we're notified every time I upload. And give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that way you could inspire them to start a online business. You could inspire them by sharing them these tips and tricks if they also have an online business. Send this even to one of your favorite online shop sellers and they could learn a tip or two.
Little clarification, guys. Since I do not have any current orders to pack right now, I don't want to waste anything that I'm going to be showing you in the video. So I'm not going to be showing you guys exactly like how I packed exactly. If not, this will be more of like a sit down video and sharing with you guys some tips and tricks. So yeah, this is a little bit of a chit chat. So yeah, before getting on into the video, I would love it if you check the description box down below. I have 25% off your first function of beauty purchase if you shop through the link that I provided in the description box down below. Down below, you also have a link that will take you directly to my eBay shop. And just check out the description box because I always have something important to write and I have some other codes that you might love.
So yeah, let's get on with the video. When I first started eBay, since I first started off with the textbooks, I would literally just go to like the mailbox and I would just get the free priority boxes and I would pay priority shipping and I'm like, oh no, we cannot keep on doing this because that is way too expensive. When I started venturing out into the more like businessy side of eBay that didn't just involve college textbooks, that's when I started to like look at YouTube videos. I started to watch them and I was like, okay, so what are these people doing to like make their shop look very presentable and all that? I went on Amazon and I noticed that a lot of girls had these cute pink bubble mailers. I've never had anyone complain to me about packaging. I really like these mailers because look, you have the bubble wrap so you don't spend on bubble wrap and you're sure that your product is gonna go safely to the person who bought your item, and that's amazing. They're pink, a super cute color, Pink Ice 13, like come on now. And self-adhesive, you don't have to spend money on like tape as much and all of that. So I thought that these were perfect. Like I said, the majority of my items are easily able to fit in these. I'm assured that they're super protected in these mailers, but don't worry, everything that I mentioned in the description box down below I will link so that way you're not struggling having to find anything that I mentioned in this video. And if I couldn't find something, I'll let you know in the description box down below, okay? I personally don't like to ship through priority mail because it is very expensive. So with like tax, $8 basically for just an envelope. I personally ship with either first class mail or media mail, and honestly I love first class mail because it is super cheap. If it's possible for you to ship your mail through a bubble mailer, please ship through an envelope. I personally use for shipping, I go to the self-service kiosk at USPS. You're really gonna be like in whoa when you see how much money you are saving when you buy through USPS first class mail at the self-service kiosk, because for many months I would ship through eBay's self-service shipping label creator, but the thing is I don't know why, like I would never pay anything less than $2.80. What I do is with the rest of the money is I charge for shipping and handling. I've gotten comments, people saying, oh, I really love the packaging in which it came in. And that's my goal. Like I try to find the cheapest and cutest things for you guys ever because I really want your package to come looking like a gift. I want it to come looking like a fun surprise where you see like a fun color like this and when you're unopening it and then you get a fun goodie and then it's like it's so cute because look, thingies like this all makes it cute and it makes it presentable, and honestly I love it when companies do that for me. I really love, like I said, how Function of Beauty ships their packaging. I love the custom mailbox. I love the custom stickers because a lot of people see it like, oh, I'm only paying for shipping, but you're also paying for handling at the same time. And I take a lot of pride in that. I think that I've never had anyone pay more than like $6 in shipping, I think. And I think that's awesome because I hate having to online shop, and usually most of the times, especially through Amazon, I feel like I have to pay $8-9 in shipping. So I feel like if you shop a lot through Amazon, it's really good to have Amazon Prime, because if you don't, girl, Amazon be like taking an eyeball out for shipping. So that's another thing why I really like eBay. I feel like eBay also has, on top of having cheaper prices, also has cheaper shipping, because since it's like more like local sellers, we're a bit more considerate towards a person and their money, you know. Thank you. If I were to ever get like a customized note for someone telling me like, hey, this is gonna be a birthday gift, may you please like package it up like with birthday wrapping, and can you add like a personal note and all that stuff? And yeah, of course I would. Guys, eBay message me letting me know that you want custom wrapping and all that, and I'll make it custom wrapping. You just tell me, girl, and I'll get it to you. So yeah, guys, I hope I was able to save you sellers a really good amount of money when it comes to shipping. When we're using envelopes like this, certain products, if you don't bubble wrap them, just putting a fragile sticker isn't gonna count. I'm a very firm believer that when there's something sensitive that you know can break, bubble wrap it, bubble wrap it, bubble wrap it, bubble wrap it. The starting box shipping is at $2.80. Meanwhile, sometimes envelopes you could literally ship for like $1. I've seen some people ship for literally 50 cents through first class. So I really recommend you getting the biggest envelope that you can. Unless the product is really sensitive, you feel like the box is gonna be that protection. If like a package is thrown on top of this, it's sturdy and it's gonna assure it's not being squished, plus the bubble mailer, you're very safe. I personally love this bubble wrap because one thing that I've never really noticed when shopping online is I've never gotten a colored bubble wrap. So when I saw this bubble wrap, I was like, I need to get this bubble wrap. And it literally cost me the same amount as a transparent bubble wrap would have cost me. The only difference is the other one probably had like 25 inches more. For like literally, I don't know, like for 15 cents, I'm gonna get the cute bubble wrap. I was not able to see this in pink, but the next time that I do, what I will do is I'm gonna search online. Literally, I didn't even pay $6 for this. As you see, I'm very conservative as well. Like I said, I'm very considerate. Oh yeah, and you're gonna need a lot of transparent tape. You're gonna need a lot of that. Assure that no one is able to open your customer's product. For example, this is self-adhesive. It's really self-adhesive. Like it doesn't open. Like, no, this is really self-adhesive. But what I do is, just to make sure, I also like put like a staple, or I also put tape through here just to give it that extra touch of protection, because I don't want anyone going through your mail. No. Another personal touch of mine is I always add a fragile sticker in your package, even if your package isn't fragile. Now going inside to what it is that I add, like I love it when gifts have tissue paper. Even if it's for yourself, like girl, you're gifting it to yourself, you're buying it, you're treating yourself, and you deserve it. So like I just want you to like open up like a little gift for yourself. I've also had purchases where someone buys it but then they get shipped to like a different address. So I just love packaging everything as if it were a gift, even if you ask me to do so or not. So you're always gonna get like a little gift. It's always Christmas at Pink Eyes 13. Then I also add a personal gift. I either add in a perfume sample, like who doesn't love perfume samples? And it's another way of like sharing on with you guys. And who knows, I send them with the thought maybe they'll really love it enough that they'll go out and purchase the bottle themselves. I don't sell perfumes, but like that's the thing, like I love to share on, like, you know, like company supporting companies at the same time. I don't have any other company friends. If not, of course I would also send them like a little PR goodie from like another small company. I always add a gift, whether your purchase was big or small, you're always gonna get a gift, girl. And then I also got these yummy candies, pixie sticks. They're straws, and then they're like sugar, like flavored sugar, flavored powdered sugar, and I love them. I have them in 4 flavors: grape, Maui punch, cherry, and orange. I just either like throw in like a perfume sample or like I throw in a candy, but I don't throw in one candy, I throw in 2 candies. Like I really love Ulta, that whenever I go to Ulta, I just say, is there any samples for today? And they always have a sample to share with me, and I feel like if it wasn't because of Ulta doing that, I probably wouldn't have gotten inspiration, because like, you know, you get inspired through what others do. Who doesn't love buying something and like getting something like unexpectedly? You're just like, oh, okay, thank you. So for example, I currently have an access code for sale for college. Since it's like just like literally like a little piece of paper, like I'm just gonna try and see if I could fit it through like a normal envelope and like just put a stamp on there. And like, of course, you're still gonna get your goodies. Are we gonna get your discount code? I also have a discount code. You're gonna get all that, don't worry. But yeah, it's even better because envelopes, like the normal standard envelopes that you get in the mail every day, that's even cheaper. So like I said, that's even more amazing for you. And anyways, like the access code, it's free shipping because like the shipping is basically like free because it's just like a stamp, you know. So we're almost done. We're almost done. So what I did was, I don't want to share with you guys the inside because this is a surprise for you guys when you get your package. And yeah, I just printed you guys the cutest little message ever. And then, I also thought, who doesn't love a personalized letter? Like the back portion of the printed side is handwritten. I'm very thankful. I'm thankful for everyone who's supporting my small online shop, because I understand with the economy going down, not everyone has money to just like buy things off of me. So I'm like very thankful. I'm like, thank you for taking me in consideration, especially with the holidays. I like thanking you guys for celebrating the holidays with me. Lastly, I add a discount code. What I do is I love grabbing these index cards. If you guys know me, I love these types of pens, and I always write in a discount code. I'm not gonna tell you guys the code. I'm not gonna tell you guys what exactly the code is for, because the code is for shoppers, for returning shoppers. I always add it in the package, and then I write what exactly the code gets you, and then I write down on the index card, message me through the eBay message me tab box section, and then you message me the discount code. And I think that we made it to the end of the video, guys. I hope that you really loved these tips that I shared with you. I hope I was able to help you save a buck or two. Give me a hug and tell me that you're gonna take care. God bless you. I'll see you very soon at MermaynIcorn. God permits. Bye.